So today, gagawa tayo ng super sarap na cake. And itong cake na to, tatawag dito ay carrot cake. Ano siya, with carrot of course. And then, yung ibang ingredients, so pakita ko later. But, ayun. And then after that, we're going to taste it. I'm gonna tell you kung masarap, if masarap. Pwede nyo itong gawin sa bahay nyo. Kung wala kayong oven, I think, na malaki talaga, kagaya nitong sa amin. Pwede naman yung oven na maliit. And ito super dali, like 10 minutes or 20 minutes sa prepare, and then sa pagluluto 1 hour. So 1 hour and 30 minutes, which is wala lang yun, like mabilisan lang talaga yun. So ayun, without further ado, let's do it. So for our carrot cake, here's what you'll need: 125 grams of sugar, 60 grams of walnuts, 250 grams of carrots, 2 eggs, 125 grams of butter, 200 grams of flour, 1 sachet of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. So, imagine, carrot cake with a twist. Kasama na pala doon yung balat mo. So, be careful guys, kasi masakit mawalan ng minamahal. So, masakit. So, ayun, be careful.
1 eternity later.
So, kung hindi nyo na-grate ang inyong skin, congratulations, people! So, ayan. Natapos natin siya. Kailangan na natin ng large mixing bowl. And then, doon natin lalagay yung eggs. Whisk together with sugar until fully combined. And then, until maging soft lang siya. So, take your time guys. No rush naman. You can continue mixing until makita nyo na smooth na yung ating itlog at saka sugar. Saka natin ilalagay yung next ingredients. Like, no rush talaga. So, pwede rin ang gawin nyo pag samasamahin nyo yung dry ingredients and wet ingredients. Up to you naman. But, sometimes ganun yung ginagawa ko. Anyway, for this one, ganito yung ginawa natin. Kasi yun yung sabi sa marmitone. And then, ayun, Now, I'm putting or mixing my flour until until fully combined din. As always, take your time, no rush. So, mix lang. Makikita nyo naman kung okay na siya or hindi. It's better safe than sorry, kaya mix lang ng mix. So, after that, saka natin ilalagay yung ating butter na not so melted, yung tama lang. And then, mix it again and again and again. And then, our cinnamon powder. So, may be curious kayo kung bakit ako nagvo-voice over, guys. It's because ang hirap magsalita habang nag-whisk, tapos ang ingay-ingay pa ng mixer. So, yan. Ilalagay na natin ang ating baking powder. When fully mixed, add your grated carrots. Ito guys, medyo tricky siya kasi pag nilagay mo siya, akalain mo na sobrang dami ng carrots na nagawa mo. Well, in fact, sakto lang siya. Kulang pa nga eh. And then, you can add your walnuts na ginawa ni Max. Pwede na bang buo-buo yung walnuts? Up to you. Kami buo-buo yung nilagay namin. Mix until fully combined. And then after that, ayan, pa-cute muna tayo, of course. And saka natin siya ita-transfer sa isang cake pans or cake molding turva. And kailangan natin siya ilagay evenly, as in flat. And then, pag ready na yung oven, pwede natin siya ilagay. And, wait lang tayo ng 30 to 35 until an hour. Pero, kasi pag 1 hour na, dry yung kalalabasan ng inyong cake. So, I think 30 to 35 or maximum 50 minutes, okay na yun. For 150 degrees Celsius. This is the reason why I don't bake a lot kasi ang dami talagang hugasan pag nagbe-bake ka. Not like cooking. For me, that's what I think. And that's what I always experience every time na nagbe-bake ako. So, ayun. Hello guys! So, ayun. Gawa ko kanina ng carrot cake. And then, ngayon nilagay ko siya sa oven, hinihintay ko na lang na maluto. Naka 44 minutes na, so konting minuto na lang. And then okay na siya, and after that we're going to taste. kung masarap or hindi. And I'll be honest, kasi of course, yung ano naman, yung ingredients naman, kinuha ko sa Marmitong. Marmitong ay para siyang taste. Alam mo yung taste na application. Parang ganun siya. Pero yun yung kilalang kilala dito sa France. And every time na nagluluto ako, dun ko kinukuha yung mga ingredients. And lagi naman tama at saka masarap yung lasa. So ayun, super dali lang guys. Nakita nyo naman kung paano gawin. As in super or maybe ito lang, yung kinuha ko lang kasi sira-sira na siya. Masarap. Especially with nuts. So if makahanap kayo ng nuts na ganito, yun ang kunin niyo, masarap. So, ayun na guys. Doon na nag-end ang aking vlog. So, sana nagustuhan nyo itong ginawa ko. And try nyo rin guys. I swear, magugustuhan nyo siya. And you can eat it with ice cream. Lemon ice cream. Vanilla. Or maybe chocolate. I'm not sure. But what I'm sure is lemon ice cream and vanilla. Bagay siya dito. And, ano pa ba? And sa taas, pwede nyo siya lagyan ng glassage. Ano ba yung glassage? Parang icing. Pwede nyo siya lagyan ng icing sa taas. Yung icing na sugar icing. So, ayun. So, sana gusto nyo. If you like it, don't forget to give it a like. And subscribe and follow us on our Instagram account. And like us on Facebook. Bye-bye. Bon appétit!